The 1998-2005 Buick Park Avenue uses a passkey 2 or 3 immobilizer system with transponder keys. If you've lost all your keys, programming a new one yourself is possible, but risky. The key's transponder chip communicates with the car's body control module, BCM, to allow starting. To begin, you'll need an OBD2 scanner like the Innova 6100, blank transponder keys specific to GM, 4D or 4C model, and potentially the BCM PIN code retrievable from the VIN online or via a dealer. Understand that all keys lost scenarios require erasing old codes, so failure can lead to needing a professional. The DIY process begins with cycling the ignition to enter programming mode. Turn the key on for 10 seconds, then off for 10 seconds, repeating for 10 to 15 minutes. This reconfigures the immobilizer's EEPROM memory in the BCM. It's not just teaching a new key, it's reprogramming the system's security layer. Use an OBD2 scanner to program the new transponder key. Crucially, rushing the cycles can permanently damage the BCM. Failure rates for DIY attempts are high, ranging from 40 to 60%. This can lead to ECM damage, requiring dealer-grade tools to fix. While DIY can save 50 to 70% over dealer fees, the risks are significant. YouTube tutorials, like South Main Autos, demonstrate the process. Experts advise against DIY for all keys lost situations if you're not comfortable with the risks. Seek professional assistance to avoid permanent vehicle damage.